Caterpillar D4 Crawler Dozer. The 130 horsepower Caterpillar D4 Dozer replaces the Cat D6K2 and has an operating weight of 29,259 pounds. The low ground pressure version, LGP, has an operating weight of 30,882 pounds. The Cat D4 Crawler Dozer has a lower sloping hood than its predecessor that provides up to 30% better visibility to the area in front of the blade. Cat D4 Cab Features. The cab seat has improved suspension and multiple adjustments for personalized comfort. A 10-inch touchscreen main display puts machine settings and features in easy view. A standard high-definition rear-view camera shows prominently in the main display. Cat D4 Technology. Slope Indicate. Stable Blade. Traction Control. An optional technology package includes the standard technology features, plus, Cat Grade with Slope Assist. Factory Attachment Ready option. Customers can also add factory integrated Cat Grade with 3D. Auto Carry is also packaged with Grade with 3D. With the capability of installing 3D grade systems from Trimble, Topcon, and Leica, the Cat D4 can integrate into job sites with existing grading technology infrastructures. Longer service intervals contribute to up to 7% lower maintenance costs. Engine oil/engine oil filter service interval has been extended to 1,000 hours. Service intervals have also been extended on the air cleaner and diesel exhaust fluid, DEF, pump filter. Cat Telematics. Available Cat Link telematics technology includes Product Link, Vision Link, the Cat app, Remote Troubleshoot, Remote Flash, Application Profile and Operator ID, Machine Security, Passcode. Cat D4 Dozer Specs. Engine, Cat C4.4. Powertrain, hydrostatic. Net power at 2,100 revolutions per minute, 130 horsepower. Operating weight, 29,259 pounds.